Hey guys, today I'm going to show you this new ponytail. I really like it. It's beautiful. Seems like very simple to use. Let me show you how we're gonna do this. It comes with that little thing. I don't know how to call it, but it comes like this. You put it in your own hair and you really secure this for the hair not fall off, and you tie it up. So you do this one part. You can wear it that way, which is very beautiful, but me personally, I like to secure my hair so it doesn't fall off, you know. Let's say if you go to a party and then you don't want your hair to fall off. So I take three or four, doesn't matter how much, and I tie it up on top of this, like this one. Boom, boom, boom. That way. And also this way. But just to make sure you secure, you wanna take a pincher, how they call it? Bobby pins or something like that. So you secure it this way. And if you want it a little bit more, and you're good to go. I kind of like it. So what do you think about it? Or if you want to use all of it, you can take the whole thing. If you don't want to let it slide down, you just do this, and the more you go, you can take one more bobby pins. It can be smaller with this one. That's perfect for me. You secure your hair. Just to make sure again, I'll take another one and secure right here. So right now I can move. I have one more. One more. So I can move. How do you like it? I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I like it.